How to install Dragon NaturallySpeaking. To install Dragon NaturallySpeaking, follow these steps. 1. Begin by obtaining the Dragon NaturallySpeaking installation media, typically a CD or a downloadable setup file, from the official Nuance website or an authorized distributor. 2. Ensure that your computer meets the system requirements for Dragon NaturallySpeaking, which typically include a compatible Windows operating system and a minimum amount of RAM and disk space. 3. Insert the installation CD into your computer's optical drive or double-click the downloaded setup file to initiate the installation process. 4. The installation wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. 5. Read and accept the End User License Agreement (EULA) to continue with the installation. 6. Choose the installation type. Typically, you'll select a typical for a standard installation or custom to customize the installation settings. 7. Select the destination folder where you want Dragon NaturallySpeaking to be installed. The default location is usually in the Program Files directory. 8. You'll be prompted to enter the serial number or activation key that came with your software. Enter it accurately and click Next. 9. Choose whether you want to install additional language packs or optional components, depending on your needs. 10. Configure user settings, such as your user profile name and dictation language. This step is crucial for the program's accuracy. 11. Select whether you want Dragon to run automatically at startup and set your desired preferences for microphone input and audio settings. 12. Review your installation settings and confirm them. Click Install to start the installation process. 13. The installer will copy files and set up Dragon NaturallySpeaking. This may take some time, so be patient. 14. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to register the product. You can choose to do this now or later. 15. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation. Dragon NaturallySpeaking is now installed and ready to use on your computer. If you still facing any issues, contact Dragon NaturallySpeaking support, link in description box.